Good afternoon, my dear children. Welcome to our moral online class. Hope you all are doing good. Yes, yes. My dear children, I hope you all watched our last class video. Yes, yes. Okay, let's start our class today. Today we are going to learn questions and answers for lesson 1. Okay, my dear children. Okay, do you remember what's the story we learned in our lesson 1? Yes? What's the story and what's the title of the story? Do you remember? Yes, tell me. Yes, title of our lesson is Food for All, isn't it? Yes? Yes, title of our lesson is Food for All. Okay, tell me the moral value for our lesson. Yes? We should respect our food and avoid wasting it. That's my children, very good. The moral value for our lesson is respect food, no wastage. Okay, my dear children. Before start to learn the question answers, once I will recall the lesson again. Okay, my dear? Yes. My dear children, can you tell me the story of our lesson by seeing this picture? Yes, her name is Aishi. She has not eaten all the food that she took on her plate. Okay, what do you think she should have done? She must have eaten, but she didn't eat. Or else, she should take only as much she need, right? Yes. Okay, my dear children, shall I ask you one question? Do you take food only as much you need? Yes, very good. That's my good children. Okay, this is the main concept of our lesson. From this, we learn the importance of our food. Okay, my dear children, tell me why food is important for us. Already we learned it. Tell me the importance of food. Yes, food is an essential part of everyone's lives. Our body uses food for energy, growth, repair and build cells and also for good health. Our body uses food for energy, growth, repair and build cells and also for good health. Yes. My dear students, do you know where does our food comes from? You all know, right? Do you remember? Where does our food comes from? Okay, look at this picture and tell me. Okay, you all forgot it. Say yes or no. Okay, I will give you some hints. Look at these hints and tell me. Here are some hints. Farmers, harbor, 6 months, harvest, factory, store. Do you remember? Yes, rice is sown as seeds with certain level of standing water in paddy fields. The farmers work hard to get the field ready. It takes up to 6 months for the rice to grow. Then the farmers drain the water and harvest the rice. The rice is now sent to be cleaned and packed to factories. Now it is the turn of truck drivers to work hard after the farmers and people at the factory. Finally the rice reaches the store from where your mothers buy it and cook it for you. Like this the food comes to you. But without thinking these all, we all are wasting it, isn't it? Okay, tell me. Is wasting food is good habit? Is wasting food is good habit? No. Of course, this is not a good habit because to produce any food we use land, water, hard work, energy. When food is wasted, these all things are wasted. So, wasting food is not a good habit. We should avoid wasting food and we should start to respect our food, isn't it? Yes. My dear children, we should avoid wasting food and start to respect food. We should avoid wasting food and start to respect our food. Okay, how can we avoid wasting food? Take only as much you need. Take food only as much you need. Eat everything. We can feed animals. Give the food to poor people. We should share our food with our friend who has forgot to bring her or his lunch box. Okay, what are the things we have to do? We should not waste food and take food only as much you need and finish it all. If we have more foods, we can feed animals. Give the food to poor people. Okay, my dear children? Yes, okay. Now we are going to learn question and answers from this lesson. Question and answers from this lesson. Write short answers. Write short answers. The first question is, why is food important to the human body? Why is food important to the human body? Answer for this question is, my dear children, look at this answer and read along with me. Our body uses food for energy, growth and for good health. Our body uses food for energy, growth and for good health. So, food is important. Tell me the spelling for energy, growth and good health. Energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y. E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy. Growth. G-R-O-W-T-H. G-R-O-W-T-H. Growth. Good health. G-O-O-D. Good. Health. H-E-A-L-T-H. H-E-A-L-T-H. Health. Then the second question is, what should we can do if we have more food? What should we can do if we have more food? Answer for this question is, give the food to poor people. We can feed animals. Give the food to poor people. We can feed animals. Are you ready to spell the spelling for poor people and feed animals? Yes? Yes. Poor people. P-O-O-R. Poor. P-O-O-R. Poor. People. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Give the food to poor people. Then feed animals. F-E-E-D. Feed. F-E-E-D. Feed animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. We can feed animals. Once again, I am reading this. My dear children, look at this and read along with me. Okay? Our first question is, why is food important to the human body? Answer is, our body uses food for energy, growth and for good health. So, food is important. Then the second question is, what should we can do if we have more food? Answer is, give the food to poor people. We can feed animals. My dear children, practice it to read alone and learn it well. Copy these questions and answers in your moral notebook. Then take a snapshot and send it to me. My dear children, I'm gonna give you few more questions as homework. Yes, you should write it. Your homework is in page number 4. Your homework is in page number 4. Dear children, now I'm gonna give you reading practice for the homework questions. Answer these questions. First question is, do you take only as much food as you can eat? Do you take only as much food as you can eat? Then the second question is, do you eat all that is in your lunch box? Do you eat all that is in your lunch box? Then the third question is, what do you do with food that is left over? What do you do with food that is left over? Fourth question is, what would you do if your friend forgets to bring her or his lunchbox? What would you do if your friend forgets to bring her or his lunchbox? My dear students, you all know the answer for these questions, right? Yes. You should write it in your moral notebook. I'm not gonna do that. Okay, my dear children? Yes? Yes. You should gonna write the answers for these questions in your moral notebook. After completing your homework, you should take snapshot and send it to me. Okay, my dear children? Take a snapshot and send it to me. Hope you all enjoyed our class as well as you all understood our lesson, right? Yes. Okay, today let's wind up our class till we meet in our next class. Be safe, stay home. Thank you. Have a great day.